Oh, remember the days when the most time-consuming thing that you had to concern yourself with was trying to pick which word art font you wanted to use? Well, the modern busy workplace brings with it far more complicated document management. Pages and pages of information created in multiple stages with numerous people all updating and revising. Oh, it's a mess. And trying to do that on one document that's being bounced around, well, that is just what nightmares are made of. But with SharePoint Online, it couldn't be easier. So let's learn how versioning works. So depending on how your SharePoint site has been set up, you are going to experience versioning in your documents in two different ways. Either using major document editions or by using major and minor ones. So let's first take a look at major ones. So when you're in the correct document library, select the document you want to edit. Take note that we're currently on version 3.0 of this document. Now once you've opened it, you've edited it, when you come to save it, this version number will then be updated from 3.0 to 4.0. And the number will increase every time you save and make a change. Easy, right? And in this major mode, that document is automatically published for everyone to see. Now, if your SharePoint library is set up in that major minor mode that we spoke about, the process is only slightly different. Again, once you're in the right document library, select the document you want to edit. Once you save this document version, and it will update to a new minor version. So for this document, we've gone from version 13 to 13.1, a new minor version. Major versions are always indicated by whole numbers and minor versions are indicated by the decimal number. Now, minor versioning allows you to work on a document in stages, but you can only see and create minor versions if you are lucky enough to be gifted with editing permissions. Now, the users with only read permissions will only be able to see the last published major version. So this means once that you've tweaked and you've tinkered and you've updated that document with as many minor versions as you like, it's now ready for the world to see. So now it's time to publish that document. Select the document you're ready to publish. The option bar you'll see either publish or republish. You'll see republish if this isn't the first major version that has already been created. And once you click it, the version will now be updated to a new major version that everyone can see. You're probably thinking, well, it can't be that easy. What if someone makes a mistake? Surely that's the moment where all technical hellfire breaks loose. But no. SharePoint has its own inbuilt time machine, allowing you to restore old versions of documents, and that is also easy peasy lemon squeezy. Select the document you need and click on the More Options tab. From there, select Version History. This will bring up the entire document histories of major and minors. Now find the version that you want to restore, hover over the down arrow next to it, and out of the options select Restore. This will then be reinstated as the most recent document version, either as a major in a major library setup or as a minor in a major minor library setup. So there you have it. That is how versioning works. So you've streamlined your work processes so you can now get back to the real work. No, the real work. No, the real work. Oh, yeah! That's a good font. Well, I've been Annabella and I'll see you on another Coreshare how-to video. Ah, man, I miss the 90s.